Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your LinkedIn profile with Resume Genius easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the page. Now, let's update your headline. Your headline should be clear and descriptive. Use keywords relevant to your industry. This will help you appear in more searches. Next, move on to your summary section. Click the Add Section button, then choose Summary. Craft a concise summary that highlights your skills and experiences. Focus on what makes you unique. After that, let's enhance your experience section. Click on the Add Experience button to include previous jobs. For each position, write a brief description of your responsibilities. Use bullet points for skills and achievements. This makes it easier to read. Now, let's add any relevant skills. Scroll down to the Skills section and click Add Skills. Include the top skills required in your field. Next, seek recommendations. Reach out to colleagues or supervisors for testimonials. These endorsements add credibility to your profile. Now, let's focus on your profile picture. Choose a professional photo. Your attire should reflect your industry. Ensure the background is clear and not distracting. Next, consider your connections. Aim to connect with industry professionals and colleagues. A robust network increases your visibility. Let's also check your profile visibility settings. Make sure your profile is visible to recruiters and other professionals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.